Hey Abundance, this is Deity Princey, your master coach, and today I want to speak to the younger me, okay, and every young black woman who has ever had to dig deep within just to survive. The ones who had to find strength in silence, who grew up alert, but not because they were curious, but because the world around them felt unsafe. This unsafety came in mentality, okay? Mentally, they felt unsafe, physically, spiritually, and financially. This is for that girl who had to become her own damn protector, safe space in her own damn home. But we blossom into thriver mode, okay? We cut out that survival mode and blossom into our thriver mode. This is why I have these tips. If my younger me had known these things earlier, oh my God, I would have been living like a goddess a long time ago, okay? But also, side note, we are at 500 subs, 501 to be exact. And I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful. So please stay tuned because I do have a giveaway just to show my gratitude and my appreciation because over here we are a team. And let's get right into it. The very first thing that I wish the younger me as a black woman knew was that you do not have to be tolerated, okay? Let me repeat myself. You do not have to be tolerated. Not by family, not in any type of relationship, and not in this world. All right? Being black and being a woman doesn't mean that you're here to be strong for everybody else. It's not right for young black women to feel like they have to be there for others and be mistreated in the process. I wish I had known this then, but if someone disrespects me, if someone disrespects you, even if they supposedly raised you, right? That's tolerating you. I wish I knew that cutting ties with people is not betrayal, but it's self-preservation, okay? It's self-perseverance. It's love, it's peace. Peace is sacred. So when you leave places that are tolerating you, treating you like a placeholder, okay, you go to places that celebrate you. The second thing that I wish I knew is to do the things that bring you enjoyment. Do the things that you feel called to do, that you feel alive doing, not the things that other people told you to do, not the stories that you have bought and that you resell to yourself. Because when you mature, when you become your highest version, which is now my new self, me, your enjoyments are now being exchanged for your frequency. But when you're taught to do things that you hate, you're exchanging your creativity for the bare minimum, for mediocre. So while you are young, do the things that you enjoy to do. Doing this will create the best possible future for yourself. I promise. The third thing that I wish the younger me knew was to make sure my circle had inspiring people. Okay, people who create inspo within me versus just having nice people around you. This is why they say nice guys finish last. Just because somebody's nice, that don't mean anything. Being nice doesn't mean anything. And when you're young, you don't think about the future, but your future is very important because the way you are when you're young, yes, it's fun, it's exciting, but you must build a foundation for yourself. So when you hang around people who are inspiring, the more you continue to grow, you attract elite beings around you. Elite gets a negative notion, but elite means freedom of time, of money, of resources. Life is abundant. So when you are young and you are, actually, I want you to do this exercise. I want you to really think, what kind of life do you want to have? Think about what kind of life you want to have and look at your circle, look at your everyday habits. What are you doing that is not aligning with that life? Because that is a determining factor of how your life will continue to go. So if you have people who are around you who are just nice, there's a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's all mindset. Somebody can be nice all day, but they have a poor mindset. If you know you desire to have a lit ass life, you have to look at your circle and put people in your circle who are inspiring and who are elite spirits that will get you attracted to higher experiences. The fourth thing that I wish my younger self knew was to hit that gym. See, I was 210 pounds and I lost 75 pounds before I went away to college in 2017. So I wish I knew this younger. I mean, you know, it is what it is because I grew up in a cult. However, the younger version of me that's out here who has more freedom to the outside world, hit that gym. Hit that gym, okay? Even if you don't like the gym, then take some walks. Do something. Do something to create sustainability in your health. Because when you become that version of you that is high vibrational, your health is wealth. Having mobility and functionality and being able to stretch your body and just move that body, it releases tension. This is helping you with your mind and body coherence. When you get that body flowing, that blood pumping, allowing the hormones to be released. When you work out, you're releasing certain hormones that aid in your evolution. So this is going to sustain your health to the next level. Health is wealth. The very last thing I wish I knew as my younger version was financial literacy. I wish I truly took the chance to understand this. I knew a bit, you know, I knew some because I made it on my own, you know, very profoundly, beautifully spoken and said. So I knew a lot, but what I will say is them elite spirits, they put you D though, because while you're young, it's a lot of shit you can start while you're young to build yourself some wealth. Builds wealth. Know that financial literacy is about the long run. It's not just about the right now. You know, the car, the nice things, that's cool and all, but the long run investments and the things you put into your reality, these things come through beautifully, and then you have financial freedom. See, when you learn that financial literacy, when you learn that young, okay, because in the Black community, we're not taught this. But when you seek to be around people that can actually, again, it's not about being nice. Somebody who actually telling you how to fucking win in this game. Fuck being nice, putting you deep to that knowledge. That's going to give you that financial freedom. This is why this is all ties in together. When you're not being tolerated, you're not no people pleaser. When you ain't no people pleaser, you want to attract higher vibrational people around you who want to inspire you because they see that spirit. They see you an action taker. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've been loving my energy, okay, do not miss the giveaway. This is my thank you for my 500 subs. And listen, this is a whole frequency. So what I want you to do is I want you to drop one comment below. What have I said in this video that changed your own vibration and had you thinking? What inspired you in this video? Drop one comment below and you will be entered into the raffle. Raffle will be given on the 20th of April. So April 20th is when I will call out our winners. I'm picking 3. Okay, peace, love, and darkness. Stay rich, wet, and dangerous. And I will see you soon. Deuces, abundant.
Had to hop over fences and climb up the ladder to get what I want, bitch, I'm just getting better. They tried to tell me I would never be shit. Look at me now, body built like a brick. Sleep all you want, but I'm chasing my dreams. Everything I do is fucking supreme. Came from the hood, ain't shit